Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete Facebook Business Manager accounts. So let's get started. To delete a Facebook Business Manager account, go to the page business.facebook.com and Facebook will display all Facebook Business Managers that you are associated with. Click on the Facebook business you want to delete. On the next page, click the square flyout menu in the left nav and then click on Business Setting. This will take you to the full Facebook Business Manager. In the left nav of Facebook Business Settings, go to the Business Info and under Business Info, you will have two options. There you will also see the permanently delete business. This option only displays if you are the owner creator of the business or if you are a full admin on the Facebook Business Manager. Only do this if you are 100% sure you want to delete the Facebook Business Manager. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.